Hey guys, so big day today. It's Friday the 22nd. As you already know, the iPhone is here. I did pre-order one. I didn't manage to get one from Apple straight, but I found another shop that is pre-selling them or was pre-selling them as well today. And I just got the SMS to go and pick it up. It's close to Cocora, which is our coffee roastery. So yeah, let's go pick it up and check it out. Hey guys, so we've got the iPhone. I'm back here at Cocora. We still have to work, we still have to get some things ready. We have actually a lot to shoot as well for Barroso Studio, for a client. And I would really like to do the unboxing right now in Cocora, just clean up the table, do an unboxing and share with you guys, but I want to do it properly with my camera and all the gear I need. So yeah, the unboxing will have to wait. So probably in about 3 hours I'll be back home and I'll be able to film the unboxing in a proper way. And yeah, all right, so let's get back to work. So we are definitely later than we expected home, but yeah, we shoot the unboxing, we eat, and get some other work done. Segunda planta. Well, here we are, guys. Short unboxing. Let's get straight to it. All right, let's check the color. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice color. It's amazing how light this thing is. Wow. We got the cable as well. The paperwork. Again, the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. Looks very, very nice. Well, let's turn it on. There we go. It is super light. Amazing. Love it already. One of the things I hated, or not hated, but didn't really enjoy from the Pro Max models is that they were quite heavy, but this is really super, super light. I love it. And the bezel is quite thin. Looks very nice. Very nice. This natural titanium looks lit. Let me know your thoughts on the iPhone. I think it looks very cool. All right, well, I will set this one up and I'll blend in some B-roll, and I'll be reviewing this iPhone thoroughly after a couple of days or maybe a few weeks to see how it performs, how the camera is. I will be comparing it to the 14 Pro Max as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions about the iPhone, just let me know.